Cryptocurrency, a digital gold rush, or just another bubble waiting to burst? In 2024, the world of crypto is evolving faster than ever. Want to know if it's worth your investment? Stick around and we'll break it all down for you. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money that operates on blockchain technology. But what's blockchain? Imagine a secure digital ledger that records every transaction across a decentralized network. It's transparent, tamper-proof, and doesn't rely on banks or governments to function. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are powered by this technology, making them revolutionary. So why are millions of people investing in cryptocurrency? Here are 3 compelling reasons. 1. Potential for high returns. Early investors in Bitcoin saw unimaginable gains. While the past doesn't guarantee the future, the crypto market has shown the potential for significant growth. 2. Portfolio diversification. Cryptocurrencies offer an asset class independent of traditional stocks and bonds, helping you spread your risk. And 3. Financial freedom. With no middlemen, crypto allows you to control your money entirely, enabling fast and borderless transactions. But let's be real, crypto isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Here are the risks you must consider. 1. Market volatility. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. Can you handle that roller coaster? 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments worldwide are still figuring out how to regulate crypto, which could impact its future. And 3. Security concerns. While blockchain is secure, investors are still vulnerable to hacks, scams, and losing their private keys. The future of cryptocurrency is exciting but uncertain. Technological advancements like decentralized finance and smart contracts are expanding crypto's use cases. Major corporations and countries are embracing crypto for payments and investments. Clearer regulations could stabilize the market and attract more institutional investors. The bottom line, crypto is here to stay, but its journey will be shaped by innovation, adoption, and regulation. Thinking of investing in crypto? Here's how to do it wisely. Do your homework. Research coins, projects, and their teams. Don't fall for hype. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of cryptocurrencies. Set realistic expectations. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Be prepared for the long haul. Use secure wallets. Protect your investments with trusted wallets and two-factor authentication. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Start small and grow your portfolio as you learn. In 2024, cryptocurrency remains one of the most intriguing and risky investment opportunities out there. The key is to approach it with a clear mind, thorough research, and realistic goals. Want to learn more about smart investing? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with someone who's curious about crypto. Remember, invest wisely, stay informed, and build your financial future. Cryptocurrency investment in 2024. Exciting, risky, and full of potential. The decision is yours. Make it count.